all about the strumming this week. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another week. So, if there's one thing you can do to instantly improve your playing, what would it be? It would be this hand, your strumming hand. So this week we're going to focus only on this hand and to do some strumming exercises. It will instantly improve your playing. You will sound much better with some easy and quick exercises. So click subscribe, hit the notification bell, stay tuned. We're starting right now. Alright guys, so this week we're going to focus on the strumming. So I'm going to play only chord G and D, and say you guys are just strumming like this for now. Now that is fine to learn the chords, nothing wrong with it. You're still learning the chords, great stuff, but you're missing out on so much more with your strumming hand. Instead of playing just like that, you're missing out on something, for example, something like this. That's just an example. Everything to do with the strumming and nothing with the chords. That was just a quick example. So what do you guys want to do? You want to create some space using your strumming. So let's go through something. Just mute the strings with your left hand. Don't press any chords. You can sit like this, sit like that. Doesn't matter. Just mute them. So then take your strumming hand and just go down, up, the whole time. Right? Now, to create some space to give yourself a little bit more to play with, take your hand away from the string and bring it back any way you guys want to do it. So instead of take it away, bring it back. So after that, so just press the chord. Let's go with E minor. You guys know E minor, and let's do A. So keep your fingers and go again, down, up, down, up. Take it away, bring it back. All right, so let's play a E minor and A. All right, so to create some space, we're going to play these two chords and take our strumming hand away and bring it back, away and bring it back. And then it sounds something like this maybe. So do you guys get what I'm trying to do? We're creating some space. It's just not something like that. Keep on practicing it. It will make your chords, make your playing sound instantly a lot better. Next part. Now you guys can create some space, create some different and unique strumming patterns. I will do some basic strumming patterns as well as a down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. But I think it's much better to learn to create your own space, to learn how to strum your own rhythms, get into that rhythm. So if you want to learn some basic strumming patterns, drop a comment. Otherwise, we're going to keep on going with you guys getting into your own rhythm, creating your own space for your chords. The next step is to put in some feel, some oomph, if you want to. So not just playing the same level. So create your space, create some strumming pattern. So let's create some feel. Now this is to go harder, a bit softer in between. You don't always have to go extremely hard. Think about it, a vocalist don't sing at one volume. They bring it down, bring it back up, go low, go high. You want to create the same thing for your guitar, for your playing. So you can always go something like this, go hard and then softer. Notice a lot of the hard strums usually comes from the down strum, but you can always change it to come back up. So you can do and that will work on any chord, not just E minor and A. You can do G, you can do D, you can do C, any chord. Create your space. So and now create some feel. That is how you create some feel. Now it will work on acoustic, especially on acoustic. On electric, not so much. Electric is a bit more one-dimensional. You've got some volume, you've got your amps, you've got everything else. Acoustic is where you can really put in some great feel for the songs, for your chords. It's not to say you can't do it on electric, but it's so much better on acoustic. So keep on practicing it. Make up your own strumming patterns. Once again, if you guys want to learn some basic beginner strumming patterns, drop a comment. I'll do some videos on them. But for now, create your own strumming and enjoy it. And just keep on doing it. Practice it with your power chords as well. And practice it switching between the chords. And you will hear it. It will instantly better your playing. I guarantee you guys will hear it instantly in your own playing by just creating some space and creating some feel. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So click subscribe, hit the notification bell, join us on Instagram for some bonus tips and tricks, and also join us on Facebook for the community page. I'll see you guys later in this week.